Did you know that for the first time in history, we have 4 generations of workers interacting on a daily basis? And those 4 generations produce more than 100 billion searches on Google every month, and more than 175 million of them connect on Facebook every instant. This matters. And why? Because technology is advancing. Over 2.4 billion people use the internet now, and it has become the status quo for communication and interpretation. Studies have shown that the most effective way for an audience to retain presentation information is through both verbal and visual attributes. As you see here, there's about an 85% retention level after 3 hours and over 65% after 3 days. This is why it is essential to utilize trial presentation to effectively communicate with the jury. Through Sousa, you can bridge the gap between the verbal communicator and the visual listener. Studies show that 53% of attorneys prefer learning and communicating through hearing and sensing, whereas 61% of the general public prefer visual aids. At Sousa, we strive to provide you with the right equipment, the right people, and the right know-how in order to showcase a flawless trial. Our effectiveness is driven, but not limited, by these 6 essential tools. Our trial gurus are certified court trial presenters, as well as trial director software trainers, and draw on the trial director software for any trial needs. The case manager not only allows us to view every document, image, and clip we have uploaded, but also organize folders for openings, witnesses, or groups of videos. Through the document manager, we can go back to any individual document uploaded and input 4 different names. This relieves the stress when referencing exhibits to your hot seat operator or paralegal during the heat of the moment at trial. We have the ability to present and annotate a wide range of digital evidence. Documents, photographs, video, graphics, animation, and as you see here, the animation can be interacted with as it's continuously playing. So you can pinpoint exactly what you want the jury to focus on at any particular moment in the clip. Live websites, given the courtroom allows it. And audio transcripts, which highlights line by line as the witness's audio plays back. We also have the ability to present up to 4 documents at once with a split screen. This brings us to annotating documents. If you glance to the right, you can see that we can highlight, underline, draw, label, redact, stamp, and more. Our zoom feature allows you to call out important information and highlight it without losing the authenticity of the document. And if text runs on between 2 pages, we can cover that too. There are many options when it comes to presenting synchronized video transcripts and clips. We can present the large view of the transcript as the video and audio plays within the background. We can add the video to the top right portion of the screen, or bottom right portion of the screen. If you want more focus on the video, we can have the part of the transcript underneath the video. And there are a few different options for that view. For example, this closed captioning can be on the video or directly underneath. We can also focus solely on the video. Now, in addition to presenting video transcripts is the ability to display documentation or images simultaneously. We can call out any part of the document and make any annotations while the video is still playing. Sousa believes that it is critical to keep track of evidence and annotations during trial. Therefore, we utilize our snapshot feature and exhibit printout lists to be one step ahead for the preceding trial days. When there are annotations done in the courtroom, it is imperative that we save them so we can reinforce the image with the jury after going on break or for a closing argument. Exhibit list printouts help to keep the case organized with all the updates and changes made throughout the life of the case. The doc ID, description, common name, trial exhibit, and exhibit number are 5 areas to reference when preparing and presenting at trial. One of the most beloved features we offer is our barcode scanner. This enables power into the attorney's hands. For an opening statement, we can have all the slides or documents printed out with barcodes on the footer, and with a simple scan, it can be put on the screen. It's better than PowerPoint because you are not limited to an ordered set of slides. There's the freedom to go in any order desired. Forget to upload a document? Or want to put the newly admitted jury verdict form on the screen? Don't stress. Our portable scanner allows you to scan directly into the software and have the document on the screen in seconds. Sousa is a one-stop shop. We can be your helpful hand throughout the life of the case, from court reporting and videography for depositions to IT and consulting in the courtroom. We are at your fingertips. With over 30 years of service, we have the experience and tools to enhance your next case. No matter the length of time, any added visual can make or break the verdict. So let Sousa help you give the jury the presentation they expect.